Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create Oracle Apex master detail page. So first thing, go to apex.oracle.com and then create one free workspace. For that, click on start for free today. Then find the free workspace option. Simply click on it to request. Then you have first name, last name, email, workspace name, location, and option to accept the terms. Once you choose all of that and request the workspace, you would be able to get the account. You need approval time, but it would get approved once you go through this positively, right? Then you get your own dashboard that looks like this. In near future this could be changed into some other interface, but basic things remain the same as option for app builder, SQL workshop, and other settings, right? So click on app builder. Now here it will ask you to sign in again, which is common. Once signed in, simply go to create or create new app. Let's go with option of file. Right here I will choose file. Let's say customer orders. So I'll pick something like orders. If you have any other data source, you can choose as well. Now here I will name this as orders as table name, right? Then you have data that looks like this. Click on load data. Right, next that data is imported. I have very large data with this table, right? Now next thing I will click on create application, right? And once you do, you will find that you have option to add the pages as well. Now you can simply click on create application, which would create your application along with the pages that we ticked. Those will be part of your applications as well. Now once this flow is completed, we will go to the part where we are going to create master detail page, right? So before we go there, what we can do, we will create an application and run it, right? So run your application and check if everything is there. So you have dashboard. You should contain charts of your data, right? Employee job title and sorting of employees based on their titles. Then variety of product and product IDs. I don't think employee ID order numbers are something you can create into charts, but it seems like choosing them default, we added that into dashboard, right? Then you have order report, which should be a one table showing you list of orders. Here you can add new data as well through this form. Then you have calendar option, which should have option to add the entries as well, right? Third thing, you have order search. Like previously explained to you, it allows you to sort the data. You can get it here, right? Now apart from that, I want to come back to our main problem, which is our option to get master detail page. So create page, right? Then find the master detail, click on that, and here we have three different styles. So I will create three different pages to show you how each of these styles work. So first one is stacked. So we'll create stacked master detail first. So we'll create a page named master1, right? Then choose our table and click next. So we have like one page of master detail ready. So I don't want another primary key. I will leave this as is. And once that page is created, you can see it will ask you to check the data source for a table. So here let me use detail region title region 1. Right, then we have our table view name, select view. It doesn't seem to be giving us that. Okay, so it seems like we don't have that option. So right, so let's see if we have access to table. Okay, so our table is there. Click next. Right, so we have like our master column for master detail relationship. Let's say I want master column to be employee ID, right? Then we will also come for customer ID. So employee ID or employee name, and then detail column be job title. Let's create the page. So this is one of the style of master detail page. Another would be one more option of our master detail that you can also take a look at. Right, now it will move to page designer. Right, master detail page created. So now I will run this and I will view this. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So here you see our employee name being the master record. So it will be like your interactive grid with option to add, edit row and columns. Add row, here you can see, here you get to add your new details, right? So here you can also delete the row. It gives you that option. So it's kind of like your typical form, except the part where you get to sort and filter, get to add rows anywhere you want, shift them anywhere you want. Simply use option to choose duplicate as well. You can also refresh if there is a fresh value, right? So like this you can find the options, right? So we have these options. So let's go back and create another master detail page with a different style. So I think two would be good enough options for you to see. So let's go with master detail. Once you choose that, you will choose side by side or drill down option. Right, then you have like master detail page name. So we'll choose master 2 as the option. Click next. So here you will have side by side option. So master table here in this case would be order speed table, right? Let's wait for it to release. It seems like it is stuck for me. Let me access back again. Right, so let's go here. It's like that page was stuck. Doesn't matter, still we can go back and access the application. So we have our application here, and let's create another page for master detail. Right, so we choose side by side option this time. So name this master 2. Click next. Now let it run its values. So we choose our table and it is loaded. Now primary column, let's have customer name. Secondary employee, let's see customer order type, and then there doesn't seem to be much details here, so we will have to experiment with some of the values. So something like, let's see, order type being primary, then product category and value. We don't have any secondary value for some reason, so seems like we are kind of stuck. So select the detail, table or view. Okay, so let's see if it allows us to create. Detail table must have some value, so it seems like we have that error, and I have to experiment to, let's see, right? And we don't have option for that, so we'll go back and choose another master detail option. So let's go with drill down option. So let's see if I choose master 2, and let's see temp table, orders table. Let's go next and let's find out if it gets us to choose primary key to navigation order from employee ID, right? And click next, right? From here you can see table we have is, first you'll have to give it a name though. So master 2 and local database, then we choose our table, click next. Now you have master column, let's see detail column, we have employee or maybe order type or customer order type, and master being our customer name and its order type we have, and we will go with master detail record for these two columns. Let's wait for it to finish and allow us to access the page. Right, so now that is saved, can move on to another detail, and here see our detail page here. Now it may look like previous one, but you notice the part that it doesn't allow you much more options here. Only the actions seem like your typical interactive grid, and then from create you can go to the new page. There is no drawer or model option here for adding new data either. So these two styles of master detail record for your data editing you can take a look at, and you can also use them based on how you wish to present it to the user.